Hello dear friends. Today we are discussing about the factors that affect the degradation of chitin. First is aeration. Since most chitinolytic organisms are aerobic in high oxygen environments, rate of chitin degradation also increases. Some amount of degradation can also be observed in some concentration of carbon dioxide, as it allows facultative aerobes and anaerobes to be involved. Pure oxygen environment might be toxic in some cases, especially when energy source is available. Second is organic matter. The presence of organic matter in chitin also increases the rate of chitin degradation. The increase in organic matter increases the substrate concentration. Other forms of energy like cellulose and lignin should also be present, as it allows the growth of microorganisms for the formation of proteins and enzymes. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you very much.